National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County in Alabama, western Talladega County in east central Alabama, until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Columbiana and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wilsonville, Childersburg, Hoppersville, Vincent, Logan Martin Dam, Alpine Bay Resort, Winterboro and Alpine. Winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour will break large tree limbs and cause some damage, especially to smaller structures. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday afternoon for Alabama. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Shelby County, Alabama.